Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to make a stunning paper Lamborghini Gallardo using an easy method. This project is incredibly rewarding and simpler than you might think. First, let's gather our materials. You will need some sturdy cardstock, ideally around 65-pound weight, and a printer. Also, grab a pair of sharp scissors or a craft knife, some fast-drying glue, and a ruler for those perfect folds. Having everything ready makes the process much smoother. Now that you have your materials, the next step is to prepare your template. You will need to download the specific papercraft template for the Lamborghini Gallardo. Once downloaded, print it onto your sturdy cardstock. For a larger model, consider using a 3-sized paper. After printing, carefully cut out each individual piece. Precision here is key, so take your time with your scissors or craft knife to ensure every edge is clean and accurate for a perfect fit. With all your pieces cut, it is time to start folding and assembling. Score and fold along all the designated lines on each paper piece. Using a ruler will help you achieve perfectly straight and crisp fold lines, which are crucial for the car's shape. Begin by gluing the larger base sections of the car together. Work slowly, holding each piece in place for a few seconds until the glue sets. Proper alignment now ensures a strong and accurate foundational structure for your Gallardo. Finally, it is time for the exciting detailing and finishing touches. Carefully attach the smaller components, such as the wheels, windows, and the iconic spoilers. Pay close attention to the instructions for these intricate parts. Allow ample drying time for all glued sections to set firmly, ensuring your model is robust. Once complete, review your masterpiece for any loose edges. Now, you can proudly display your handcrafted paper Lamborghini Gallardo, a testament to your patience and skill.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.